Alright mateys, I finally used my VIP status for SacAnime to get in early. See if we can catch any worms. Hopefully you'll get a lot of worms. I eat money, right? So pretty much the usual kind of stuff you've found at an anime convention. Nice stuff, to be sure. I'm looking for some tail though. Because the new fursuit they don't come with any. It shouldn't be too hard to find a nice brown tail. Arr, pirates! Yar, that's what I'd be lacking. Yo ho mateys! It looks like officially licensed merchandise, so no pirate goods. Kamehameha! Elf! Please be elf. Right, cosplay materials. I can find some boots here. Oh, I'm looking for a tail, or tails actually. I would actually wouldn't mind plush tails here. Oh, look at these. Oh, nice stickers. Oh, they got some cute shirts. T-turtle. Clip-ons. Oh, these are cute actually. Look at that. Swords. You think I have enough swords? Well, I lost some from that was well pack of greyhounds. Like I said before. Maybe we can find some cosplayers. I don't know if she wants to be on camera. Trying to avoid that. Pens! Ooh, cute pens. I think the pens. Or any pens? Pencils? More stickers.
That's fine.
Alright, thank you. Trying to be courteous. But best I can. Intervals! Oh, guns! You know, I do not have any guns. The conventions don't tend to like guns too much. Be able to see, they cannot have any kind of gun like guns. Unlike props. Because the Nevada laws about casinos actually. Arr. Pirates. Cool toys. Video games. Yo ho, soldier. Funko Pops. I'd say, how much are these? I have no idea, but they're in a glass case, so they're probably a bunch. Oh, nice artwork here. Very good stuff. A lot of these artist galleries workers are pretty good. Arr! We found some tails here. Yay! $45. Nubs for 20 bucks. I might be able to work with this here. I need the white tip here, like yes, I got, but brown head, there's one. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to that one later here. Well, let's just go a quick walk through here. I'm not gonna show you everything. It's quite a lot of stuff here. The celebrities are probably coming later. Yes, I believe they'll be at the Memorial Auditorium. Oh no, they're gonna be over there. They mostly things around. Some things will be at the Memorial Auditorium. Like the video games. Yeah, the arcade games. And console games to play.
All the way back here, Laura, is the autograph line and everything else.
So there you have it. Like, subscribe, stay folksy.